In this video, we will learn how to get users' content rights from Instagram. To start with, create an account on Taggbox Rights Management or log into your existing account. Now click on Create UGC Wall. Enter the wall name and save your changes. Now, pick a source to collect user-generated content. Here, we will select Instagram. Taggbox offers you to create feed through hashtag, handle, mentions, and tagged. However, to create feeds from hashtag you require to have an Instagram business account. Enter the hashtag and click on Create Feed. Your UGC feed will appear on the moderation panel. Now to send the rights request to the content creator, select the post and click on Generate Request icon. Now you can customize your message or choose from the predefined templates. It's always better to create a personalized message to have a constructive and friendly relationship with the users. Upload your brand logo to build trust and increase approval rates. You can also upload your marketing terms and conditions that let your user know how you are planning to repurpose the content you're requesting rights for. Now, click on Generate Request. Copy the UGC request link and click on Finish. You will be redirected to the content creator's original post on Instagram. Paste the link in the comment section and post it. The content creator can approve the request by clicking on the link you have commented on. Come to the dashboard and check the status of the UGC post. The status is showing pending. Once the content creator approves the UGC rights request, the status will change from pending to approved. Now, go to the Approved Post section. Click on the post and download it. Great! Now you can repurpose this UGC post on different marketing touchpoints with no legal worries.